In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add Instagram link to your YouTube channel. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to head over to youtube.com. After that, make sure you are signed into your YouTube account, and then you need to click right here at the top right corner at your profile picture. In this menu, we need to click at YouTube Studio. Then we'll be taken to YouTube Creator Studio, where at the left sidebar menu, we need to click at Customization. Then right here, go to Basic Info tab, and then scroll down until you find links. That's where we can attach up to 5 links to our YouTube channel. To do that, I'm gonna click right here where it says add link. First off, we need to enter a title for our link. I'm just gonna enter Instagram, just like that, and then we need to paste URL here. First off, now we need to go to the Instagram, and then if let's say we wanna attach URL to our Instagram profile, we need to open up our profile page. After that, we need to highlight our link, then we can copy it, go back to channel customization, and that's where we can easily paste it. And then once it is done, just don't forget to click at publish to save the changes. After that, we can go to our channel page, and as you can see now, the link to my Instagram profile is displayed right over here. We can click on it to head over to the Instagram website. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.